In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best FPV drones available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the FPV drones list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the FPV drones mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, S156 Mini 8K FPV Drone. The S156 Mini Professional 8K drone delivers stunning aerial footage with its Ultra HD 8K camera and 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. Its smart obstacle avoidance system ensures safe navigation during flight, while the foldable, lightweight design makes it perfect for travel and outdoor shooting. The built-in screen remote control offers real-time video preview, giving users complete control over every flight. With stable altitude hold, headless mode, and long battery life, the S156 is a top choice for beginners and enthusiasts seeking professional results. Number 4, BETAFPV Aquil 16 Racing Drone. The BETAFPV Aquil 16 FPV kit is built for speed, precision, and fun, both indoors and outdoors. This brushless racing drone offers powerful thrust, stable flight control, and durable build quality ideal for beginners and hobbyists. Equipped with FPV goggles compatibility, it provides a fully immersive flight experience. The compact frame allows it to zip through tight spaces, while responsive controls ensure smooth maneuvers. Perfect as a gift or first FPV setup, the Aquil 16 is a reliable and exciting introduction to drone racing. Number 3, Xiaomi Mijia V198 Max Drone. The Xiaomi Mijia V198 Max FPV drone redefines aerial imaging with its 8K professional camera and laser obstacle avoidance system for safer flights. Its brushless motor ensures powerful yet quiet operation, and the foldable design enhances portability. With optical flow positioning and smart flight modes, it delivers smooth and stable footage every time. Supporting both FPV and 4K live streaming, this drone is ideal for travelers, vloggers, and photographers who want cinematic shots with minimal effort. Number 2, KBDFA Mini Z908 Pro Max Drone. The KBDFA Z908 Pro Max drone combines style and performance with 4K ESC camera technology and Wi-Fi FPV connectivity. Its brushless motor delivers stability and efficiency, while 360 degrees obstacle avoidance sensors enhance flight safety. The foldable 4-axis design makes it highly portable and beginner-friendly. With features like altitude hold, gesture control, and GPS-assisted flight, the Z908 Pro Max is perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial videos with precision and confidence. An excellent choice for both fun and professional use. Number 1, L900 Pro SE Max GPS Drone. The L900 Pro SE Max FPV drone is a powerhouse equipped with a 4K dual HD camera and 5G Wi-Fi transmission for crystal-clear live views. Its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance ensures safer flights, while the brushless motor provides quiet, efficient performance. With GPS positioning, auto return home, and smart follow mode, it offers professional-grade control for beginners and experts alike. The foldable design, long flight time, and advanced flight stability make it one of the most reliable FPV drones in 2025 for capturing stunning aerial moments.